Hi, my friends. Welcome to the class style. I am good. So I'm so happy to be in your company today, guys. Today I'm sharing with you some boxes that I was gonna be throwing out, and I decided to do a lovely basket weave with them, so that it will come in useful. And guys, from my house to yours, welcome. So I added a piece of cardboard to the center to cover that slit that it had, and I'm filling it up on the sides also, and I'm just using ordinary glue gun. And this is a trash to turn trash into treasure, hosted by the handsome David Owen from David Owen Creates, and it's a challenge that he's having. And remember, guys, to do check out in the description box for the playlist provided, and do head across to each and everyone who is participating. And guys, I am so inspired by the things that David does. I love what he does, and he is always such a happy and welcoming person. So what I'm doing here is just adding to the sides. I did just use a piece of paper and cover the bottom, and I had this gift bag that I just cut, and I decided to use that for around the edges, for around the inside. And everything here would have been throwing out, so I'm just putting it to good use. So what I have in my little bag here, I had done an upholstery on my daughter's outdoor basket chairs, and these were the pieces that was over. And I said that I was not throwing it away, they will come in handy. So they were actually woven in this lovely weave that I have here, and I'm just following that, and I'm going to continue either adding in to make up the sides, and I'm just holding it carefully and placing it on top of the box, and I'm just going to measure it off excuse me, and make sure that it fits. After offering it up on the box, I took it down and rest it on the table, and I'm going to be placing the pieces a little closer together. That's the pieces that's going across, and the lengthwise pieces, I am just placing them like a 1 inch apart to form that weave, and I'm just threading it through, in and out, in and out. I'm going to do all the pieces like that. I'm just using the glue gun, and I'm just putting a little dot of glue just to hold it in place, nothing too much. And like I said, I'm threading it through, I'm weaving it through, in and out, so the look of the basket is now visible. So I'm just finishing up here, and like I said, I will just put a dot of glue. So this is it so far. I'm just gluing it onto the box, and guys, the glue holds it pretty good, and I'm going to do it around the edges, the two edges, and of on the sides, and I'm just flipping it over. Sorry, not flipping it over, I'm just pressing it down to the other side and attaching it to it, and it looks so gorgeous. Now with the extra pieces on the bottom, I'm just going to be folding it over and gluing it in place. Now this is a type of kind of hard plastic for outdoor furniture, so you still have to be careful with it, because when I bent a couple of them, I noticed they kind of broke. And just be careful if you're ever using anything like this. So this is the bottom part of it, and what I'm doing, I'm not weaving this set first. I'm going to show you that I'm going to be weaving it after. So I'm just taking one piece and just pushing it in, out, and making sure that it's snug. Pull it down, tighten it, and I'd glue it, and I would just continue doing that for all the rest of the pieces. And guys, remember to check out in the description box when you are leaving your comments and so on, and you would see the playlist, and do head across to David Owen's channel and tell him I sent you. And so this is it. This is how it looks. Gorgeous. I just added a piece of fabric to the top edge of it, and what I'm doing now, I'm creating a handle just by bending it slightly and tucking it on the inside, and I glue that in place. And you wouldn't think that it's sturdy, but it is very sturdy. So this is the finished look, guys, and I'm using this tack, this decorative tack, and I'm just sticking it on the handle itself, and I'll just put a little glue to hold that in place, and voila, I have turned trash into cash. So I am having so much fun doing this. I was late with my video, but here I am. Now this is the other one, and I did put fabric on the inside of it. Now this last piece, I'm doing the same thing. I'm just going to be using a piece of cardboard for the bottom. This is a border that I had used on a mirror that I had done a while ago, and it is not adhesive, so I have to glue it down onto the board itself. If you hear in the background any noise, that's my grandchildren and my parrot. So this is a smaller box that I created, and I'm doing the same thing by adding on the bottom with all the strips going right through, just like I did the one before. So as you can see, I've placed all the pieces on the bottom, on the around it, and I'm threading my strip through to form that woven look, and I'm going to do that until I reach straight to the top of the box. Okay guys, so this is how it's turned out so far. With this one though, I'm not bending it over, I'm just trimming it off because I'm going to be adding on something to the top there. Now I am using this, this is not a adhesive paper, so I'm just going to be gluing it to the directly to the inside of the box. So I'm just, like I said, using my glue gun. This is the piece of cardboard strip that I had covered, and I'm just going to place that on the inside. I've already covered the sides, and this I had around. I just pull off the cording, and I'm using this green piece of braid to attach to the top part of this woven box, and it just finished off the look that I was trying to achieve with this little box. So just continuing on, adhering it with my glue gun, and what I want to do is add a handle to it also. So I'm just going to be adding in a handle with my piece of rope. So I measured off the side, the length that I want, and I cut it off. I'm just using my glue gun again, and I'm just adhering it to the sides. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And guys, look how cute this looks. So thanks guys for being in my company, and I have these at my son's barber shop, and they look gorgeous. So guys, thanks to David Owen, turn trash into cash, and guys, I hope you have enjoyed, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Catch you later. Bye guys.